Good day. I hope that you are happy. Today we will continue our exploration of music. From the previous videos in this series, you know that there are different rudiments of music theory. The rudiments of music are the structure and framework of music, music note values, music pitch and music dynamics. In this video we will discuss music dynamics. Dynamics of music is how loudly a piece of music must be performed. Some music must be played quietly. Other music must be played loudly. Listen to these pieces of music. How would you rate the loudness of the music on a scale of 1 to 5? How well did you rate the loudness of the music? Do you agree with the ratings? Can you give a reason why you interpret the loudness differently? The words that show the performer how loudly the music must be performed are written on the music stave as shown in these examples. Traditionally, music instructions are written in the Italian language. This is because many of the world's most famous music composers lived in Italy. Italy is a country in Europe. It is a very old and beautiful country. You need to learn to speak some Italian. But you know some Italian words already. Can you read these Italian words that you know? These Italian words all relate to music dynamics. You can see the Italian word, the English meaning and the music symbol for the words.
Piano, mezzo piano, pianissimo, forte, messo forte, fortissimo, crescendo, decrescendo.
Do you think that you can say the words? Did you study the symbols for the dynamic instructions? When you say the Italian words, remember to use hand gestures, because Italians always use their hands when they speak. Watch this video to understand Italian hand gestures.
You don't know anything about Italy. Anything. You think that we do this gesture all the time. You think that in Italy we walk in the street like this? Hey, ciao, how are you? Are you good? Yes. How is your girlfriend? No. We do it only one situation, only when we don't understand what's going on around us. Like, what's going on? Because in Italy, we believe that we have a neuron in the brain connected to the arm. And if you move the arm, you can understand what's going on. And if you do it very, very fast, you can understand things that nobody has ever understood. The biggest invention in the humankind were made in Italy thanks to this gesture. Leonardo da Vinci, Galileo Galilei, all these great scientists, they were all the day like this. Hey guys, it's not flat. This joke works much better in Italy. Maybe because here there are people that still believe the planet Earth is flat. Oh my God. I love America.
Try the Italian words again. The voice will say the word, and then you repeat the word. Say the quiet words quietly and the loud words loudly. Have fun.
Piano. Mezzo piano. Pianissimo. Forte. Messo forte. Fortissimo. Crescendo. Decrescendo.
Well done. Now you can tell everyone that you can speak Italian. Now, let us put what you have learnt into practice. You all know the song Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star. Look at the instructions for the dynamics on the music score. Listen to the music. Listen for the changes in the loudness wherever the dynamic symbols appear. As you listen to the music, put your hands close to each other when the music is quiet, and stretch your hands out when the music is louder. When you get to the crescendo and decrescendo, move your hands slowly outwards or inwards. This time, sing along and use the dynamics as shown on the music score. Well done. You have made good progress. Give yourself a gold star. What have you learnt in this lesson? You learnt the meaning of the term musical dynamics. You listened to examples of quiet and loud music. You practiced Italian words that indicate how loudly the music must be performed. Please subscribe and share. Check the description for free worksheets.